Hello my lovelies, welcome back to 5 Minute Eye. These are the videos that I do now and again, like a quick eye look. I call it 5 minutes because I can do it in 5 minutes, but obviously I will be talking through it here, so it will be a bit longer than 5 minutes. I've been shopping my makeup drawer, and today I wanted to use the Sigma Ambience palette. This is one of my favorite Sigma palettes. You know, I really love the quartz, but I haven't used that one for a while, so I thought I'd pull it out and let's do a look. As you can see, you have here sort of golden look that you can do. This one is a bit more peachy, then this one is a bit more brown, and this one is a bit cooler. So as you can see, you can use them as quads as well, and you can mix and match. And I love Sigma. It's such a good value for money. The quality is really good, and you get 14 shades here for a really good price. On Refa 01, I will use the Oasis. And I'm just going to tuck it in here in my outer V. I will deposit the most color here. I'm almost doing like circular motions. And then as I go up, I start blending it out and up. And I will add a bit more and do the same thing. Refa 15, and I just blend the edges. You really need that because you know the skin is not so taut anymore, and it's very difficult to blend as you go with like stiffer brush. Refa 02, and I'm going to go into Burnish, this one here. It's a lovely, a bit shimmery burnished brown, and I will just apply it here, sort of from the halfway of my eyelid, but only on my mobile eyelid. I'm not going too high with it. Another Refa 02, and I'm going to go into Luster, sorry, this one, Luster, and apply that on my mobile lid, right from the corner to the middle of it. With a Sonia G Pencil Pro, I'm going to go to that burnish, even though it has a bit of shimmer in it, and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. I think I might want a bit more peach on here, so I might use the Marigold just in the middle here with my finger. I am adding burnish just here in my outer V, just so it's a bit darker, and then I'm going to blend it all out. And that's the finished look. Let's do the mascara now. I am using the usual Catrice Glam & Dough Sculpt and Volume Mascara. but I will always also top it off with the Sweet mascara, which is a great mascara on its own, to be honest. If your edges still feel a bit too harsh, take a clean brush and just blend it out and up so you get more flawless look. So that's the finished look. Let me know what you think. On my lips today I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip liner in Deep Taupe and Charlotte Tilbury's lipstick in Love with Olivia. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more of my 5-minute looks, I will link it here. I've got a whole playlist. But that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.